So.
Oh,
You can't say that.
Okay, rightio, let's go, Trump. Hello there, and welcome aboard this vehicle. I'm just trying to get the fiddler going on. No, that's the wrong size. I got the wrong one. Ready for this?
Yeah.
Here comes screw number 70. Oh, I need like an electric one. I'm like,
Yeah, if only they made something like that.
oh. Right, there's the dash. There we go. Beautiful. One of a kind. It's the most natural way to do it. Well, that was safe, wasn't it? It wasn't even plugged in. That's what the airbag light was on. Should we put the ignition on and see if the airbag light goes away? Oh, there's no dash! Yeah. Well, we shouldn't have plugged it back in because apparently we go. Right, yeah, you just gotta be swift with these. It's under here, like that. Just like that. In the airbag. Dash is out, easy as that. Cut the bolts. Real race car now.
So we pulled the dash out. Turns out it doesn't even have an airbag. Someone's clearly nicked there.
Seatbelt looks in good condition.
Oh yeah.
That is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Check the condition of that out. This is the other side. What's with that?
Just like that.
There we go.
Nothing too disturbing in there, so that's the good news. Oh yes. Oh, ready for the track. Oh my god. Oh, that beautiful car, beautiful condition. Hasn't left the showroom. Get out! Cool. That roof is great.